Well, good afternoon, YouTube channel. It's Belmont here. So, not really much to show this week. So, we decided to turn our attention back to a couple of Don's locks. So, Lockwood Assa Abloy 225-40-119-003. A 225 series 40mm padlock keyed to the 003 code TP. And I'll admit it's been a while since I dusted off the locks. I was organizing them about 8 hours ago, putting them into, a couple of bags, my favorite little vice. So, as far as what's been happening lately, and not really a whole lot. For those who actually checked out the post about Mayhem keys, yes, they are back with more keys. The 20-piece set is back out again. Excuse me. Supplies while they last. Took a look over at Sparrows, and they didn't have jack shit new. Just the same old shit, except now they've added flint strikers. Fun, huh? Yep. Good old Sparrows, they finally ran out of fucking ideas. So, besides that, we've got Starry Lock, who's been pumping out introductions to a new crop of, lock sporters. Some who are hit and some who are miss, and not much else. So, what can I say about these Lockwoods? Well, truthfully is, one, I haven't taken a whole lot of time for them lately over the last several months. And I've even been honest with Don about that. Are they pickable? Well, I haven't been able to pick one open yet. I guess my knowledge has not reached to this level of lock yet. But I haven't given up. Likely later on today, I will be trying my hand at this one. Although the learning curve would probably be a little bit better if I tried my hands back at the, oh God, what is it? The American lock that I have. The 1100. But that's neither here nor there. Here in Pennsylvania, the heat is getting to people. It's in the 80s right now. Last couple of days we've had heat advisories, and we were even supposed to get rain on a day that had a temperature of high of 98. And 3 hours later we were supposed to get thunderstorms through the rest of the night, and they just dried up. I have been reaching out to Junior at Mayhem Keys, and he's been reaching out to me. There is the rapport still there. We can both agree that Jeff Moss is a fucking idiot. And his attempts at heckling are juvenile best. So that's about it. Doesn't seem like a whole lot, but it's Friday. What can you say? There are new video games that have come out lately, and I haven't really been interested in them. I'm more concerned about conserving money. So, this is Belmont saying, have a good weekend and stick around.